And this is the start of the 2017 TDK. Starting on time here at 8 o'clock. Farm Park, USA.
Thank you.
And here's the backside of the Farm Park 2017 TDK. They're rolling on here. Rolling on. And here comes another group behind that lead pack a minute ago here at Todd Hill Farms. Climbing this little hill here. This will be before they cross. Oh, well, over here on Todd Hill Road, the Todd Hill golf course. And here comes the lead pack, or three in the lead going to the summit. About an hour and 10 minutes out. That's the leaders there. Three of them didn't get no numbers, but here comes the rest of the pack. Maybe 30 seconds or so behind. And here they go. There they go. Rolling on in this rolling country. Here comes another lead here on Todd Hill. And here they come across 49. Coming up, this is a group behind the pack, leader pack, coming up on Science Hill. Rest stop. Y'all look pretty now, y'all on the video. Say something pretty. All right, there goes the leaders. Still three out front. Still three out front. We had Benton Farmer Road, Bishop Chapel at the rest stop down here on the corner. The Blue Ride comes through here too. But this is the 135 going to the summit. There's three ahead, and there comes the lead two going that way, and then behind the three, and here comes the other pack. 2017 TDK. And here they're coming by Sid Sid Church rest stop. And serious rider there. They don't stop. They just grab and go. Yeah. Go ahead and talk to me. Oh, I'm good. How y'all?
I think that's the best I've ever done. I mean, I had it just barely open. It hit every one of them. Nobody dropped it.
You know, you're doing a good job. I don't care what John talks about you when he ain't around you. How you doing, John?
Are you friends? You on Facebook, aren't you?
I don't know, am
You
I?
probably won't hear this.
Hang on, man. You're on video right now. You better.
That's what I'm saying.
You better say something that we like.
That's why I stopped.
Hang on a minute. We'll talk. Ain't you my friend?
I don't know.
I don't think I am. Here comes another second group. Second group here. The lead pack going to the summit. Second group of these guys rolling on in North Carolina. TDK 2017. Uh-oh, boy, he dropped the water. It's all right, there'll be another at the next stop. Yeah, this is the last of the summit. They're fixing to cross 109 here at Handy. It's about 225. 225 coming from the summit. Left about 8 this morning. So this is the last riders. About 4 of them here. And Steven says it's time for some chicken. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, here we're rolling into the farm park from the summit. Challenge here at 2:33. 2:33. Last three, there's 3 here right ahead of me, and then there's 2 riders up there going around the curve anyway.